What is going on, Lord? This is Monish. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to tell you the importance of sound design, where I get my sound effects from, and how you can crush it with sound design in your next video. Let's do this. So for this video, I will be breaking down the behind the scenes of what went into the sound design of my Delhi travel film. So if you haven't watched that travel film yet, do click on this card or the link in the description to watch it. And now I'll be showing you the travel film with only the music. Then I'll be showing you the travel film with only the sound design. That is going to be really interesting. And since it's a sound design video, I would highly recommend you to wear your headphones on. And let's get started with the Delhi travel film with only the music.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. My best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you.
So this looks good, this even sounds good, but the video has something missing. Like, the video is not very immersive as it should have been. So now I'll show you this whole video without the music. So like muting the music completely and only the sound design that went into the final product. And I'm sure this one will be very interesting. Delhi. Ooh, that was cool. Let me know if you like the sound design part in the comments below. So yeah, that's the importance of sound design in any travel film or any kind of vlog or a b-roll sequence. So now I'll be telling you how I proceed with my sound designing process. So what I do is I edit the video on the music. So like I cut on the beats and edit the full video on the music. Then I mute the music track. Yes, literally I mute the music track, and then I watch the video without the music. Now this might sound really insane. Like, why the hell are you watching the video without your music? Trust me, it's not that weird, because when you're watching the video without the music, you will get to understand what kinds of sounds you can use in that particular video. So there are three types of sounds that I use in every video. First is the ambient sound. So it is like the tone of the location, you can say. So for example, there is a shot of a market. So I'll go to Epidemic Sound, I'll search the word market there, and I'll find many tracks of market sounds of different kinds of places. I'll download the most suitable track, and then I'll put that track in my video, and that's how I bring out the immersiveness of the place by using the ambient sound. So these ambient sound can be marketplaces, these can be beaches. The second type of sound effects are the transition sound effects. So these sound effects are used when there is some transition happening. So generally these sound effects are whoosh sound effects, which sound like literally whoosh. Okay. And also there are various sound effects like glitches and stuff. So this makes your transition much more powerful. And the third type of sound effect is the sound effect that are used in some small events that are happening in the video, like the person pouring the tea in the video, like that girl laughing in the video, or that person frying some puris on that pan in the video. So these are some kinds of sound effects that I use depending on what is in the frame. So yeah, let's do a recap. I edit the video to the music, I mute the music, I analyze what kinds of sound I need, which includes the ambient sound, the transition sound, and sounds of little things that are happening inside the frame. And then finally, I switch on the music track, and then I mix the sound so that they fit well with the music track. Remember, your sound effects should not overpower your music track. That's the rule. But yeah, I think rules are meant to be broken. So your wish. So the final question is where I get my sound effects from, and the answer is Epidemic Sound. So many people think Epidemic Sound only provides great music for creators, but it also has amazing sound effects as well. And I'm not just saying because I'm a brand ambassador of Epidemic Sound, wo to abhi bana hu, but I've been using Epidemic Sound as a customer since a year right now. I guess last April I subscribed to Epidemic Sound. So anyway, these guys have really good sound effects as well. And also you can get 30 days free of Epidemic Sound from the first link in the description. So if you're interested, do give it a try. I'm sure you won't regret it. And if you like the video, hit the like button. If you love the video, hit the subscribe button. And while you're hitting the subscribe button, don't forget to hit that notification icon, jo ghanta icon, to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, have a great day, keep creating, peace.